There's so many ways to make money online, but in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys the best and the realest of all ways you can actually make money online in 2023. So if you're new to my YouTube channel or you're just seeing my face for the very first time, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, as I do upload daily videos on money making online, business ideas, business strategies, and so many much other content related to this lovely niche. So moving on to what we have for today, how to make money online in 2023. So the number one best of all ways, the realest of all ways, is you need to learn a skill. It's very important. You need to learn at least one skill. Even if you can't learn a lot of skill, you need to learn at least one. And how do you learn a skill? It's very easy, okay? First things first, you need to look at yourself. You need to consider your best interest. You look at what you really like doing, those things you've had a lot of interest in, probably right from your childhood to when you started growing up or to your adulthood, whichever. You just need to pick something you have interest in, and that particular topic can actually make you money. So how do you learn the skill? There's so many ways you can actually learn the skill. You can literally learn it online, or you can actually learn it physically. Probably a family member of yours knows how to do this particular interest of yours very well, then you can just meet the person and then the person trains you about that particular skill. Probably you have interest in photography and you have a friend or a family member who does such. You can just approach the person and then you learn from the person. Very easy. And if you don't have any opportunity like that, you can just go online. There's so many free courses online. You can go to Google free courses and then you can register for free and start learning any skill you want to learn online. Very easy. And then what's the next thing after learning a skill? The next thing after learning a skill is for you to start a business with that skill. Yes, very important. You don't just want to learn the skill. We're talking about making money online right now. So you don't just want to learn the skill just for learning's sake, just to have it up in your head. You want to translate the skill into money. It's very important. For example, I decided to learn about video editing or graphic designing or something, and then I decided to start a business with it. You can't say you're going to start a business and you expect the business to just blow just like that while you're starting. It happens in stratas, it happens in stages. You start small, you begin to build on it, build on it, and then you can start having so many audiences, so many people approaching your business. You don't expect your business to blow just from the start, okay? You need to have that in your mindset. So once you start the business, you start enrolling, you start rendering services for people based on this skill, and from there you're actually improving yourself. At the same time you're rendering the services, you begin to improve yourself while you're also rendering the services, because no one is perfect, no one is 100% perfect. So you're good in something doesn't mean you don't need to improve yourself. You need to improve yourself while rendering the services, okay? Now, where do you render your services online? There's so many platforms you can actually sell out your skill for money. Starting with Fiverr, Shopify, Seller, so many platforms where you can actually sell your service for money, okay? And also you can also start a social media business, okay? Where you have a page. It could be YouTube, it could be Instagram, and then you build this channel, you build this page with a very large amount of audiences, and after some time you begin to have partnership with other companies to help them advertise their product, and you're being paid a particular commission for helping them advertise their brand or product. So now moving on to the next way you can actually make money online in 2023, that's gonna be you selling or creating ebooks or online courses. The world is changing every day. The world is changing very fast every day, and a lot of people are going online to learn different skills, to learn different knowledges, to grab so many things online. Now you creating a course, like I said, you've learned a skill already, so basically you have that knowledge and that skill, so you can decide to just create a course. It's very easy to create an ebook or to create an online course based on your skill, because you have the personal experience and you have the knowledge as well. So that's the third best way you can actually start any money online. And there's so many platforms where you can, you know, sell out ebooks, starting with Amazon KDP, where you can sell out ebooks. Also we have Seller, you can sell out your, you know, online courses. So many platforms, so many platforms. And then the final way I'm going to be talking about in this video is going to be you investing. Okay, investing, very important. Yeah, I know a lot of you might say investment, you know, you're scared of taking risks, you're scared of doing this. But for you to have that billionaire mindset, you need to start taking risks. It's very important to start taking risks. When I mean risk, I don't mean you want to just, you know, drop a very huge amount of money just like that. You need to take the risk calmly if you want to be, you know, you want to do things with caution. You need to take it calmly. You don't just barge into something like that. So while you want to invest, there's so many investments, you know, platforms where you can easily buy shares, buy stocks, and then after some times, probably the company you're investing in is gaining a lot. You get back dividends, and you're making your money. You can reinvest. And if you don't want to buy shares, you don't want to buy stocks, you can just, you know, go to some banks. There's so many, you know, industries, companies that are selling out stocks. So you can just, you know, invest in your business, and when they're gaining a lot, they are able to pay you back dividends, and you begin to reinvest. For example, I invested in a company with 500,000, probably $500,000 or whichever currency, and then this company begins to gain a lot, and then I begin to see my dividend. I begin to see gains on my money I invested with, and then I decide to reinvest again, keep on reinvesting. You know, the money begins to rise. You don't just leave the money stagnant. Now you invest in the money, and then it begins to rise and rise, depending if the company is actually gaining or losing. But what it's way better than just keeping your money just like that. Okay, so that brings us to the end of today's video. If you surely enjoyed my content and you're interested in, you know, watching more of my content, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, drop a like, and also a comment down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video.